Today, we are talking about saying thank you for everything, even when things don't go our way. O, di ba? Bakit? Kasi, sabi sa 1 Thessalonians chapter 5, verse 18, give thanks in all circumstances. Nangangahulugan lamang ito na dapat lagi tayong makahanap ng dahilan upang maging masaya at magpasalamat anuman ang mangyari. Can you think of something you're thankful for today? Maybe it's your family, your friends, a pet, or even your favorite book. Anything. Let us share our thank yous sa comment section. Tell us one thing ulit, you're thankful for right now. Pwede itong kahit anumang bagay, malaki man or maliit. Ang pagbabahagi ng mga bagay na ating ipinagpapasalamat ay tumutulong sa atin na makita ang mga magagandang bagay sa ating paligid. Being thankful makes every day brighter. See you next week for